Hi guys, what's up? This is the girl Bhavya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in Goa today and it was very sudden to shoot this vlog. I will not be able to show you everything, but I'm going to show you what goes behind a magazine shoot. I'm doing a magazine shoot. It's called With Raw. The crew is amazing, people are amazing, so I thought that I should vlog it, right? So I thought I should vlog it. So yeah, it is not morning, but this is my morning and I just woke up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have to rush like anything. बहुत जल्दी करना है because I'm sorry bad manners. बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा शूट क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी शूट करना पड़ेगा because I was late. So okay bye. See you after I get ready. Okay bye.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी.
I don't know how she'll put that content on YouTube after saying that.
खुद की भी सुन ले कभी.
This is like whatever. Stop. ये कौन करता है? Only Bhavya Singh can do this bullshit. Okay, anyways. So this is what our room looks like. I'm sharing. I'll show you my roommate also. And this is the washroom. I have just taken a shower, so it's like fucking messy. Hi, how are ya? Girl. We are halfway done with the makeup. Now what are we doing? Eyeliner or the eyeliner. You have to wait for the eyeliner. We're gonna do something in editor. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of my Goa vlog and just a quick update on my damaged life. My hair turned green, bro. Niche se, you see it? So how this happened was I was in the pool, which you can see. I was in the pool and this reacted because my hair is ash, okay? So this reacted with my hair and like it made it a little green. I'm kind of loving this look because I'm in Goa. It's okay. I'm gonna go back and fix it. Okay. And this is how it looks like. Busy day. Everybody started working and look at the weather, bro. It won't stop raining here. Won't stop. Stop. Goa में skin इतनी dry हो जाती है because you guys are not used to this weather. I think oh, my eyes look blue. ऐसे पानी ना हर टाइम चल रहना चाहिए आँखों के सामने. Your eyes look blue. It gives you shade of a blue thing. I think we gotta shoot here. I love this space. Very like nice. ये विला वाले मुझे कोलैब मैं I'm only giving them promotion because next time I'm gonna come you're gonna like give me for free this villa. I'll tag you so give me for free next time.
प्राइवेटली उनको फ्री में मिलना मुश्किल.
क्या है ये?
इट्स प्राइवेटली उनको फ्री में मिलना मुश्किल है.
ये बस इनको लगता है मेरे लिए सब फ्री हो जाता है.
See then I will also join her.
तो हमें ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाओगे?
क्या क्या?
अभी कुछ है खाने के लिए?
है मसाला मैगी.
मसाला मैगी है. ये मराठी है पता है. तो ये हर किसी खाने में ना वो गोल गोल वाली चीज जो आती है ना क्या कहते हैं उसको? राई. तो राई एंड जीरा इज द ingredient which all the Marathis put in their food and like एकदम चटपटा सा बन के आता है एकदम spicy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you when my hair and makeup is doing. तब मिलूंगी और फिर उसके बाद when I'm be eating my breakfast I'll show you what we had for breakfast. For now keep watching the vlog. By the way तुम लोग end तक देखते हो ठीक है? I'm getting a good watch time. Ad भी सही लगा दिए तुम लोगों ने but please watch the full video यार. We are doing our makeup right now and after makeup we will do our hair. I'm ready. This is my final look and now we're gonna start shooting. I love my hair. I love my eyes especially. So now we're gonna go down and see what's happening. Breakfast. There is a vada pav. Pav kar lo pav. Vada pav. I had only coffee, but there's vada pav. There's omelette. There is What is this? Some whatever sabji. This is pav bhaji. This is my makeup artist. She's sick of me. She's like, this bitch won't start. Okay, so this is my tiny little ass, tiny human, and I'll show you. Only I am the one who's always like lacked out. बाकी सब लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं.
What the fuck?
Hi guys. She's always on time. Like she wakes up like 6 o'clock, and this guy is always waking up. She doesn't sleep. This is how the shoot goes down. Please give me space. Hato. You like it? Say one word about Prasanna.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Also, like, I want to sit on this unicorn. Do you think I should do it? Okay, let's give you a surprise in this vlog. Wait and watch. Such a sweet guy. He's like made Maggie for us. And yeah. And there is eggs. ये अंडा खाएगा अभी. Ma'am, do you want me to serve you also?
No.
इसको बोलते हैं मसाला मैगी. इसमें चिकन है. ठीक है.
I think mushroom.
मशरूम.
I love mushroom.
It's actually good, na? I'm still waiting for butter chicken.
I thought it was awful. I was gonna say something. Then I saw it.
No, you saw it. Saw and then say it also. You're not. Copyright lag jayega. So she's gonna shoot first, and then it's my turn. I just want to give you a 1 second ka gyan actually. That. Not everybody is perfect, not everybody is pretty. You see girls like us and you're like having an assumption that, oh my god, she's got such a perfect body, or she's such a beauty, she's this and that. Yeah, I think everyone is beautiful in their own way, and you don't need to compare yourself to anybody to prove a point to yourself or anybody, I think. And that's about it. That was 30-second me giving exact gyan. Girl, I'm gonna rock the world even if I don't have a hand or a leg. I'm still gonna be the queen. I am, girl. Only queen shit. I think I'm like gonna fall like totally. His name is like Janvi. Bro, सीधा चल यार. Oh my god. मैंने एक्टिंग करी है, मेरे को आता है इस पे बैठना. So this is how like models shoot.
This is
Show her babe. Yeah. ऐसे दिमाग खाती है फिर फोटोग्राफर्स का. और देखो लाइट थोड़ी ठीक कर लो ना इसमें भैया.
तेरा कैमरा खराब है.
इसको एडिट में से ऊपर कर ले.
वो कर लो, वो तो निकाल ही दूंगा चाहिए तो एक वाला में.
Put it up.
Can you please guide her to the pose?
He clicked also. यही डालूंगी अब मैं इंस्टा पे.
नहीं कर, सच में कर. 1 2 Sorry.
ये करो. इनसे बस इनको एक दो चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. देखो जूम कर लो इस लड़की पर.
I'll take one close up. Good.
And the photographer is like liking it also.
उसके साथ ही आप अच्छा लग रहा है।
झाड़ू से मारेगी, झाड़ू से मारेगी।
फेक सवाल कर दी।
Oh my god, how do I laugh? Prasanna.
Yeah.
Let me zoom. Prasanna.
Yes, bro.
Oh my god, so dedicated these people are. Say hi guys to my YouTube vlog.
हेलो, कितनी बार करेंगे आप?
करते रहो. This is what goes behind the shoot. Quick update. For lunch we have this yummy macaroni. Do we have to eat this?
And this is the one that is uncooked.
Can we like start eating it?
When the salt is right.
Amazing.
Oh, just have one piece of macaroni, na? We should normally put less so that we can add it up.
I don't even feel like making it cold. It's so good. You want like hot also. Food Brazen. Thanks Prasanna for lovely food, yeah.
Welcome.
So this is how it looks like for now. So we'll put this here. No, this is a mixture for the second one. The first one is here. Now we have to taste it, and I'll tell you how it has been made. See, this is all what he has used. I like this thing which he makes. It's very yummy. I can eat it anytime. Okay. It's going to be very hot now.
Yeah, thoda sugar na.
And then, like, what else do we have to add after this?
Just the prawns which we have ordered and the spices.
The spices. Okay. And this guy really works hard, bro. Like, pehle subah se sham tak he'll do our thingy and then he'll cook for us. Like, I will not be able to forget this experience, bro. Like, amazing cook.
Thank you.
Guys, her highlighter broke and just complimented that I love this highlighter palette and her highlighter broke. Look at her. सदमे में लोग ऐसे दिखते हैं. और ये रहा पैलेट. क्या यार, इनको भी अलग सदमा है कुछ लाइफ में. This is my next outfit. Does I look like fucking cute? And I'll show you some bitchy behavior. What is this behavior? Wait. What is this behavior, Pooja? What is this behavior, Pooja?
Lakshmi को निकालो यहाँ से. Pooja and Lakshmi she is doing.
ये लड़की को यूनिकॉर्न राइड के साथ नहीं आता है. ये बहुत मिडिल फिंगर दिखाती जानबूझ के.
1, 2, 3.
What a weather! Love it.
1, 2, 3, 2.
Our neighbors are gonna have like a good time. This neighbor, this neighbor. हाँ बस टिप टिप बरसा पानी.
पानी नहीं था, थोड़ा और ले.
I thought he's gonna give me a like a Swarovski gift.
What is that?
But
Swarovski.
that's like a PVR ticket.
No, that's not PVR tickets.
Give it to me also. Why are you so biased?
PR, bro. PR is Bandhan.
बॉम्बे में है, दिल्ली में नहीं.
What is this? Okay, so all my Bombay people, this is what we can do for the giveaway.
22 years into this. So just give us
Makeover salon and spa. I'm promoting her, bro. Better pay me for this. Guys, go check out this shit. Makeup over salon and spa. This is in Bombay only, so I can't just waste.
So when you come to Bombay,
taking away from me
No,
this
no,
guy,
you can-
human, tiny little.
I've used it.
Girl, he
Tera bhai bana
doesn't
liya?
sleep. He doesn't sleep, guys. Like the whole night he was shooting, and bitches like me, like all the dramatic, traumatic bitches, like how you deal with it. आप ऐसे लोग कैसे deal करते हो हम जैसे?
मैं डील नहीं करता.
हम deal करते हैं आपसे.
तुम डील करते हो exactly.
ये savage मार गए ये. This place. Bye Goa. Bye bitch.
I'm gonna be drinking cold coffee with you and harassing you every day.
Yeah, she's like bullied me, guys. She's bullied me.
There was all love in that bully. If I didn't bully you, that means I don't love you.
And
So you got harassed by me. Is good.
So that was it. My Goa trips end today, and I'm gonna miss so many people from here. Just saying, drama karna padta hai. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Ankit. Where is everybody else? I'm gonna miss these two people also.
I'm gonna miss not waking up next to this green head bitch. Really.
Green.
That is one thing I really miss not waking up next to this buttly little one. Chota
Okay.
packet, bada dhamaka.
Prasanna, thank you for having us.
Say thank you to me.
I'm gonna. Abhi, you're in the cab, na. Just shut the fuck up. You're disturbing my
Bhavya
YouTube.
broke my one nail, guys.
Okay.
Just so
And rest if she okay, thank God she just said I broke her nail, and rest the whole story because she had a very dramatic stay here. Very dramatic. And I'm gonna like fucking miss this. I will miss Goa. Bye Goa, bye. Bye.